I mean, this is an annihilation of Trussonomics. What do we expect from Huntonomics?
Well, Manus, markets certainly seem to think that Trussonomics is dead or on its way to being, hence the rise in the pound in Asia trading. The Prime Minister's press conference on Friday lacked both detail and an apology. The U-turn on corporation tax and the sacking of Kwasi Kwarteng, politically embarrassing but not doing much to balance the books. So we're expecting when Hunt makes his statement in the Commons today to give us a little more detail on how they're going to balance the books. Economists at Bloomberg Economics reckon Truss needs to find £24 billion in revenue raises and savings. But because Trussonomics is being dismantled piece by piece, MPs behind the scenes are asking themselves, what's the point of having her at the top? Has she got weeks or months left? And they're asking themselves, do we want to gamble on a new leader now and face a snap general election, or do we want to face almost certain wipeout in 2024? A lot's going to hang on what happens in the gilt market today. Of course, gilts tanked on Friday after that underwhelming statement. Let's see what happens today now that the BOE's help is gone.
Well, what do we expect from the BOE, Lizzy, in terms of continued support? Of course, independence front and center for the BOE at this moment.
Yeah, that's the message that Andrew Bailey wanted to underscore at the IMF over the weekend. He suggested that bigger hikes are going to be needed, including at the November meeting than they were expected in August as a result of the fiscal plans. Take a listen to Bailey in Washington.
We will not hesitate to raise interest rates to meet the inflation target. And as things stand today, my best guess is that inflationary pressures will require a stronger response than we perhaps thought in August.
So Andrew Bailey wants to get back to focusing on fighting inflation, but they'll have to see how much the pension funds have fortified themselves during this interim period of emergency BOE support. The form that the Bank of England's help could be extended in could be an extension of the delay to quantitative tightening, or it could be an introduction of a new facility. We'll have to see how the gilt market reacts today.